Hey everybody, I kind of changed it up because I really wanted you to be able to see what I was doing with the math lesson today. So if you have your notebook, your blank notebook that was the other one, just turn over a new page and you can actually put the date if you want to at the top. Like I would put March 24th, 2020, just so that you could actually keep up with the math work that you're doing. I just made 3 lines so that I'd have 4 different spaces to record my math journey today. So that's going to be off to the side, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. What you need out is your counters. You do need your counters out. And you'll need all 10 of them today. We did 5 yesterday. We're going to add 5 more today so we can do our 0 to 10. You need your cup. You need your numbers 0 to 10. And then I showed you yesterday how you could make extra numbers with little post-it notes or paper or whatever you have. Those are my extras over here just in case I need them. So I have my counters and I have my cup. I'm actually going to put my counters back in my cup. So before we start, we're going to do our Subitizing cards that we've been working on. So I'm going to hold those up, and then we'll go through them. Let's see how many you get, okay? If you're watching live, let's see if you can do these with me with the live. And we have one more. All right. So we'll go over those with you. This was 5. This one was 5. This one was 9. This one was 9 because I don't have a full tens frame. I have one gone. So I have 5 on the bottom and 4 on the top. If you turn it around, 5 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Doesn't change. It's still 9. This one is 8. You see I have 3, and then 3 more is 6, and 2 more is 8. This is a rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So a rectangle has 4 vertices. Remember, that's the fancy name for corner, vertices. Here is 2. A circle has 1 continuous side. This is 10, full tens frame, 10. This is 2. This is 4. This is a square. It has 4 equal sides. That means all the sides are the same size. And then we had 1. I hope you guys did well. If you were keeping up with how well you did with your little Subitizing cards, you can do all of them. It really doesn't take very much time at all. That was about a minute that we had there. So if you look here, I have our addition mat. And I'm going to move my extras off to the side over here in case we need them. I'll use them if we need them. So you have your numbers 0 to 10 laid out. Now, I saw a friend sent me a picture. I have been doing it this way where you have blank plus blank equals blank. But I liked what they did in their picture they sent me. They had blank equals blank plus blank. And I liked that a lot. So let's use that today. So if you did that in your pictures yesterday, good job. I'm so proud of you. So we're going to do our shake and spill. Put all the counters in the cup, shake it around, and pour it out. So we're going to separate our colors. So we have some red and some white. Okay. So right now, this is where you're going to have to use some of your extra numbers that you made yesterday because I have the same number for both. I have 5 red, so I have 5 red, and I have 5 white. So when I think about that all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 and 5 make 10. So 10 equals 5 plus 5. 10 equals 5 plus 5. Now, if you did it the other way, it's not that hard. You just have it like this. So you would have 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. It doesn't really matter which way it's turned. I just did it that way because it was different than before, and I liked doing a different way of a number equals blank plus blank. So I liked that. So I'm going to take my counters, and we're going to put them back in the cup. Shake, and I'm spilling them out. Okay, so now I have my red, and I have white. So I have a new set of numbers here. Okay, so now I have how many red? Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some of you probably looked at that and went, that's 6. So I have 6. How many white? 4. 6 plus 4. So now if I count them all together, I would know how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10. 10 equals 6 plus 4. All right, I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to show you how to record your numbers on your recording sheet so that you can show me that you practiced on your own. So shake, spill. All right, so, a little bit different this time. And I'm actually going to flip my paper back over. So I'm going to move those over. So this time I had 4 red and 6 white. And that gives me 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now, when you get ready to write yours down, I'm going to move my book over so you can see. So let's say this is the very first one that we're going to write down. So here's my book. I've done my problem, so I'm going to slide it up. 4 plus 6, so we're going to write that down. So on my paper, with my pencil, I'm going to write the number 4. So I'm going to write a 4. And up above that 4, I'm going to draw 1. I'm just going to use circles. 2, 3, 4. Now, I could color those circles in red if I wanted to kind of show the red side. So there's my red. And then I'm going to write plus. That's our addition sign, a plus sign, because we are using addition this week. And I had 6 white, so I'm going to roll a hoop and make a loop with the 6. Then I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not going to color those in because those were the white counters. And then I'm going to say equals, and then I'm going to write 10 because it equals 10. So this will be a way for you to record your shake and spill that you're doing. So like if I did my next one, let's say I put all of mine in the cup next time, and I got the same number combination of 4 plus 6 or 6 plus 4. I wouldn't have to record that a second time. I would shake it and spill it. So like just like it happened this time, I had 6 and 4. Well, I don't want to record the same combination, so I'm going to put it back in the cup, and I'm going to shake again and spill out. All right, so this time I have a different combination. I have, all right, so this time I had 2 red, so I need to come over and find my 2, put my 2 down, and I had, how many white? Let's count our whites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I had 8 whites, and that does equal 10. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. So in my book, on this one, I would make my 2 again, make my 2, just like that. I'll draw my 2. I'll color them in red, because that shows my red counters. Then I would do my plus sign, And then I have an 8. Make an S, do not wait, go back up and close the gate. And I would draw my 8 white counters above that. And then I would make my equal sign and draw my 10. Now, I want you to look. I didn't make a number, I didn't draw circles above the 10 because I've already got them here. I don't need to draw those circles. They're already in my problem. 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. So you would go ahead and do 2 more problems just like that on your paper. And this is what you can send me a picture of so I can see that you were doing your work and practicing. And like I said, if you keep getting the same number combinations, just keep shaking and spilling until you get a different one. So these should not all be the same. They should be different. And the whole time you're doing it. So that is how you do your math for today. Thank you so much for being so flexible today with everything that's been going on. Also, don't forget, you need to do 1 lesson in Dreambox and 1 lesson in Imagine Learning today. And that is all for today. You guys have had a wonderful day. You're rocking it out. You are rock stars. I love you. I miss you. And don't ever forget, who are we? The best class in McKissick.